Good morning, it's Wayde from A.C.T, and today you are joining me with Xolisa, the on-site foreman for the project we'll be carrying out at 220 Musgrave Road. Effectively in front of us is Isolated Spalling Repairs to this concrete ramp. We have 5 levels of ramp effectively to repair. Reason being for the repairs, the rebar positioning is far too high when the concrete was poured. And with the mechanical movement of vehicles through this area over time, the concrete has obviously broken off and exposed the rebar, which has started to corrode. So we'll be breaking this area open as an example, treating and cleaning the rebar, trying to position the rebar lower to create enough surface level. Once that's all completed, we'll be applying Stonecore's LS100 repair mortar to these areas, which is a very durable, trafficable repair mortar for the area. Looking forward to Xolisa carrying out. He always does wonderful. Xolisa, as always, thank you. Thank you, everyone.